How to create shop on Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now head towards your profile feed selecting your profile name. Now tap See Dashboard and remember to convert your Facebook account to business page to get your professional dashboard on Facebook. After that, you need to select or navigate to the shop icon, which is basically at the top of the dashboard. If not, head over to your professional dashboard and check out for the keyword shop. If you cannot find it, you can easily tap on the search icon. Then you can basically search for the keyword shop. Now, mind it, the sub feature is not available for every reason. If the feature is available for, you can easily go ahead and create shop on Facebook page. Also, you can simply search for the option shop and click on the suggestion, after which you will get the chance to choose the product that you want to sell through your Facebook shop. Also, you will get to choose the payment method as well. However, if it is not possible to find this feature from this professional dashboard, you can simply go ahead and open any kind of browser on your device and search for Facebook support. Tap Help Center, and from the Help Center, you need to search first the shop option. If you don't get that option here as well, then you need to wait until the option is available for you. So, and then create shop on Facebook page. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.